Hello, my dear viewer. Today I will show you the first part of my video, in which I crocheted myself a cap with a lapel. Yes, it happened. I finally gathered my courage and decided to knit such a hat. I have it like this. I used a melange yarn from a ball like this. Let's start knitting. I use the hook number 3. That is, 3 millimeters. I advise you to choose the size of the hook for your type of yarn. Guys, the hat fits very, very easily and simply. I am sure that such a hat will suit everyone. And even more so, it's already winter. It got cold. Everyone needs hats, scarves, as well as some gloves or mittens. That's why I'm showing you this pattern, which I use to knit a cap with a lapel. I remind you that it's winter, it's cold, and that's why I wanted such a hat. You can knit a scarf, a hat, and much more with this pattern. Friends, I know that many people say that such a hat is not practical. They say that some color will get dirty. However, I hasten to please you. No. This hat is very practical. In addition, I often hear from my friends that it takes a very long time to knit such a cap with a lapel. They think that it takes a lot of time to do such a cool thing. I tell you all, no. Anyone can crochet such a hat. Even in one day. Because you can see for yourself that I use a super simple pattern. Therefore, even a beginner can tie such a hat. The size of my hat was chosen by me to match the size of my head. I picked up everything by eye. I didn't use any schemes. I want to say that my head size and my mom's head size matched. That's why we take turns wearing this hat. Let me unfold it for you. I'll show you. Look, there's already a hat like this looming. You can tie it like a hat with such a band, or you can crochet just a big hat. But, in my opinion, a hat with such a bend will look more beautiful and cooler. Friends, I want to say a few words about my Telegram channel. I have it. You will find a lot of interesting things there. I have schemes for different clothes, and I'll tell you a secret that sometimes I post clothing schemes for your pets on my Telegram channel. Therefore, rather go there and subscribe. That's all. This is the pattern and the future hat I should get. Watch the second part of my video. In it you will see the end of the work. Well, now, bye-bye. Please like, subscribe to my channel and write comments. See you all later.